Okay, we're gonna go to censorship. We are on total censorship watch here on Mike of the Night, and we've been covering a censorship segment on pretty much every show going back to about 2019 ish, maybe 2018. Not really. We're doing more more Big Brother stuff, but let's get into the censorship aspect of thing. World Bank wants to replace your signature with biometrics and digital IDs. This is very important, folks, because now they're going to basically track everything you do. They want to track everything you do. And this goes back to a Mike in the Night that we did in 2017 that got taken down for medical misinformation. Digital prison, digital soul, digital world, digital takeover. So this is basically tying into a 2017 video, that live stream of Mike of the Night that we had taken down for medical misinformation. And it is happening. And it's more of a digital soul thing. And it goes on to say the purpose, let's get to article scan here. The purpose of these key enablers where it concerns digital transactions is to facilitate the emergence of trusted digital economy, according to this global and globalist financial institution. Globalist financial institution? Trusted digital economy? I don't think you could trust any of this crap. The role is to link people's identities to online interactions, where electronic transactions, as defined by the WB, cover a vast range of activities, and the WB believes that electronic signatures are a crucial component of the digital economy. So this is very, very important. And then it goes on. Listen to this. Take a gander at this, folks. No economy can be considered fully digitized without incorporating electronic signatures. The policy note insists the WB is resolutely against physical signatures and wants instead these centralized and easy to control frameworks to substitute interactions between people and move the whole operation online. They are going to do all this, and they're going to pull the plug. Poop. Your title records, your land title records, your life insurance policies, your documents will be all digital like this, and poop, it's gone in a heartbeat. It's disappeared. It is no longer with us. And what are they going to do? They're not going to take blame. No one's taking accountability on anything that goes wrong. They're just going to blame you for signing up for it. They're going to blame you for everything, right? That's what they're going to do, right? Yeah, that's what they do. And PayPal is back at hard at work at screwing people over. PayPal's secret data grab banks on users staying blissfully unaware. And reports explain that this secret opt-in is explained in the settings for personalized shopping page. Those who happened to make it to the page could learn more about this personalized experience can be opted out of. Who the hell goes to those 50-page documents of what or what if or what you need to know and what you're signing for or what you're being a part of? Who reads those 50, 60, 70, 100 pages? Right? It's all there so they can't get sued. But they screw you. The plan is to start data sharing in the early summer of next year. At one point, the same page said that after this November, PayPal will be using information collected about users to personalize your shopping. And no, it's not personalizing your shopping. It's more about tracking everything you're doing. Right? Tracking where you're going, tracking on who you're buying for, tracking, wait a minute, you're spending this much money, but wait, you only declare this much money. You're making more money than you're spending. Then they come and audit you, put you in jail, right? All right, let's keep going here, folks. And this is a very interesting little censorship piece of work here. So, Indian tax probe exposes Soros-backed NGOs media. This is dangerous. An investigation into organizations with links to the billionaire has revealed a coordinated effort to undermine development projects. This is pretty big news, and this is because obviously second and third world countries are obviously advancing and want to move forward, but then you have these Soros-backed NGOs that are going in and actually destroying. So it says here, the tax department claimed to have found evidence of coordinated effort by foreign organizations to financially back the Indian NGOs and accused them of orchestrating paid protests to impede critical public infrastructure and development projects that are in India's national interest. India Express particularly mentions efforts aimed at projects by the country's two major conglomerates, the Andai Group and the JSW Group. So they are just funding, George Soros and his cronies are funding the destruction of countries. And Telegram will now share users' IP addresses and phone numbers with governments in response to local legal requests. So they're going to basically go, and it goes in here to say, now Telegram has widened the net. According to the newly revised policy, if you violate Telegram's terms of services, you know the thing no one ever reads. So the terms and services, again, just like the other one we're reading, nobody reads that crap. Nobody reads the terms and services and if that and what you need to know. Nobody reads that crap. But again, the thing that no one ever reads, they may hand it over to your info. They may hand over your info if they get a valid order. The language is dripping with corporate hedging. If Telegram receives a valid order from relevant judicial authorities that confirms you're a suspect in the case involving criminal activities that violate the Telegram service term of service, we will perform legal analysis of request and may disclose your IP address and phone number to the relevant authorities. Holy smokes. That is crazy. And as we become more and more digitized, they're going to be more and more ushering in this digital planet, digital prison, digital soul, digital world that we were talking about. And governments want your soul. And basically what we're talking about in our 2017 Mike in the Night, that was taken down for medical misinformation. So there it is right there, folks, in a nutshell. Lots going on when it comes to censorship, but those are some of the key stories I wanted to pick up for you guys. You can find these stories at Reclaim the Net. Most of them are on there, Reclaim the Net.